Some sounds were recorded but never explained. A powerful ultra-low frequency sound recorded in 1997. It came from the ocean but wasn't man-made. Scientists still debate if it was ice or a massive creature. First heard in 1991, it's a strange rising sound, seasonal, and no one knows the source, still active today. A haunting moan recorded in 1999. It was so loud it could be heard across the Pacific. Some say it sounds like a creature in pain. Heard in different cities around the world, but not by everyone, no known cause. It's been driving people crazy. A deep, descending sound recorded in 1997 in the Pacific Ocean. Too deep for submarines? Still unexplained. We've explored more of the moon than our own oceans. Maybe these sounds are proof we're not alone down there. Want more eerie mysteries? Hit subscribe and stay curious. Credits: narrator, name writer, name editor, name.